So you watched my video on how to jump rope properly for beginners and you got it down. Now you're ready to take it to the next level. Well, this video is perfect for you. You'll find beginner level tricks to advanced level tricks in this video for you to try. Let me know in the comment section below, what was your favorite trick? Now, if you really want to just get in shape and you just need a good beginner level routine, check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.